welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a no makeup look. I did my brows off camera today, and right now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal and highlight my brows underneath. And I'm using my Morphe 410 brush. Now what I'm doing is taking a flat concealer brush by Morphe, their M224 brush, and what I'm doing here is taking the concealer that I had blended out and I'm bringing it all the way down, cleaning up any harsh lines that I may have had while doing my eyebrows. And I bring the product all the way down to, for one, cover up the darker spots that are on my eyelids and to make it just look all even. And now I'm taking a darker concealer just to make my eyelids look more my skin tone color, because you want this to be a natural look. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending that out and applying the concealer as needed throughout my eyelid. After I go in and use my brushes to clean up any lines on my brows, I always go in with a wet beauty blender to blend out the concealer and make everything look even more smooth. Now this part isn't necessary, but what I'm doing is going in with my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to apply a brown eyeshadow onto my eyelid just to darken it up even more and give it like a natural even skin tone look. And I'm just going to press that in and blend it on both of my eyelids. And for my foundation today, of course, I'm using the Tarte Face Tape Foundation in the shade Rich Golden. This foundation is very moisturizing and very good for my skin. I have a combination skin, and what I like to do is take the foundation and press it in first with a brush. And then after that, I go in with my beauty blender and blend everything all out so that it looks smooth and even and there's no harsh lines from the brushes. What I'm doing here is taking a fluffy brush and I'm blending out my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I blend that underneath my eyes, underneath my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Same thing with my foundation. I take a brush and I blend everything out, and then I go in with a beauty blender to blend everything out to make sure that it's melted into my skin. And then after that, I just let the concealer sit for a few minutes, and I'm going to apply my eyelashes off camera. And now I'm just making sure that everything is blended out with my wet beauty blender so that everything's even and there's no harsh lines on my face. Now this part is very important for a no makeup look. What I'm doing is going in with a lighter concealer. I'm using the Olive Concealer from e.l.f. and I'm blending that only in the inner corner of my eyes and around my nose to brighten it up, because with a no makeup look you're using less product and sometimes there's dark spots and blemishes, and you want to make sure that those are covered and brightened and that it looks just very natural. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm again taking my wet beauty blender and blending that all out. Doing the same thing, I'm applying a darker concealer under my nose, right above my lip, and I'm going to blend that out. Same thing, you just want to make sure that your skin is even tone. You don't want to look too dark, you don't want to look too light. You just want to look like you put some moisturizer on and walked out of the door. So you're just going to blend everything out, make sure there's no whiter spots and no darker spots. Everything's just going to be even. Now what I did was went in and took my Ben Nye banana setting powder and I pressed that into my skin because I no longer bake. And then what I do is I take a big fluffy brush and I wipe the excess powder away and make sure everything is all even and gone. You don't want any white residue left over. This is a new step for me. I spray my setting spray, let it dry first, and then I put my highlight on because it sticks better. So I highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and then right above my lip, underneath my cupid's bow. So now what I'm doing is taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorn, and I underline my lip at the bottom. I overline my lip at the bottom, and then I just draw out my lip at the top, but I don't overline my lip at the top because I don't want it to look too dramatic. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy and blending that all out. And the look is all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be posting more on my channel. Thank you, everyone.